Is your Wi-Fi not turning on and showing grayed out? Recently, some Android users keep saying their Android phone's Wi-Fi is not turning on and shows the grayed out issues on Android. Because of this error, they can't connect with the Wi-Fi on Android. So after analyzing the issues, I present the top 3 proven solutions that will fix not turning on or gray out issues on Android. So let's get started. To solve this problem, first, you need to open Setting, tap About Phone, tap Alt Space, scroll down, tap Kernel Version for multiple time, scroll down, choose the 16 number option called Wi-Fi AP Scan. Now, if you use the green information, that means you have no problem with the hardware. Check the Wi-Fi address setting at the same from here. Now, if you have hardware issues, you need to go to the service center. If you find no hardware issues, watch this video and learn some way to fix it. So first, you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Connection and Sharing. Scroll down, tap Reset Wi-Fi. Now tap Reset Settings. Draw your pattern, tap Reset or OK. After that, open your setting again. Now scroll down, tap Additional Setting, scroll down again, tap Developer option. Scroll down. First, turn on the Wi-Fi throttling and turn off Always Keep on Mobile Data on. Now restart your device and also make sure to restart your Wi-Fi router. Now open Wi-Fi. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Now make sure to enter the correct password on that Wi-Fi. After entering the valid password, now check your problem. After following this process, your problem should be solved. If you still have issues, you have problems with the hardware. If you have any questions about this topic, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. See you all again.